Depending on your institution settings, you may have one or two options for logging into MedHub. From your MedHub login page, if your institution uses a single sign-on, you will find the single sign-on button on the left side of the page. If you click on the single sign-on button, you can log into MedHub using your internal single sign-on credentials. If you have any questions regarding your single sign-on credentials or the use of the single sign-on at your institution, please reach out to your institution's internal resources for further assistance. MedHub provides a second option for logging into MedHub using the MedHub credentials. To log into MedHub using your MedHub credentials, enter your MedHub username and password on the right side of the page under the Login section. Once you have entered your MedHub username and password under the Login section, click Login to log into MedHub. If you have forgotten your MedHub credentials, please reach out to your GME team or your program administrator for further assistance. You may also click on the Forgot My Password link, and MedHub will walk you through the process of resetting your MedHub password. Please note that if your institution uses both the single sign-on and the MedHub credentials to log into MedHub, your single sign-on credentials may be different from your MedHub credentials. If you have questions on whether you should be using the single sign-on or the MedHub credentials, please reach out to your GME team or your program administrator for further assistance.